We know that vaccines are an essential weapon in the battle against many diseases. But what do vaccines contain? What are they made of? What are they used for? Hi, I'm Chus. I'm a veterinary scientist, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what a vaccine is and what it is for. All around us there are many tiny germs that we cannot see with a naked eye and make us become ill, producing what is known as an infectious or transmissible disease. But don't get the wrong idea. Once the germs are inside us, we don't realize that we have a whole army inside us that is fighting against the germs and is defending us from them. Our army is called the immune system. As in all armies, there are different types of soldiers. There are some that are very brute but very fast. They devour the pathogens that enter, no matter what they are. And there are other soldiers who are the smartest, but at a first glance may seem quieter. Some of these brute soldiers take bits of viruses captured in the battle to be studied by these smart guys. As the battle continues, the germs progress and continue to infect cells. Then our immune system calls for more and more reinforcements. This is when we may feel sick and we may have a fever. The clever soldiers are called B lymphocytes, and what they do is to manufacture weapons to attack the virus. These weapons are called antibodies and are like mini bullets which launch and destroy germs. Other smart cells, the T lymphocytes, are specialized in killing virus-infected cells, and they also learn. When the B cells and the T cells have learned, they bring out their super weapons. Then the troops regain space and we win the battle. And that is when we start to feel much better. We have another great advantage. T and B cells have a good memory. They remember how to use the weapons they have produced. And if the virus they have already studied happens to reinfect us, they quickly take out their weapons and destroy it. But of course, in a natural infection, our B and T lymphocytes have had to study the virus before producing the weapons, and in that time we become sick. But what would happen if these cells had had their weapons prepared before the virus has infected us? As if they had gone to class before the infection. This is what we know as a vaccine. A vaccine is a weakened germ or virus droplets that do not produce disease, but are able to teach our immune system to create these tailor-made weapons before we become infected. For example, let's suppose we have a virus like this one, which I am sure that you are familiar with. Well, to make a vaccine against the coronavirus, we could use parts of this virus that we know to be important, so that lymphocytes could learn to make antibodies against them. We can also use viruses that resemble the original but do not cause us illnesses as if they had been weakened. As they are whole viruses, then lymphocytes can make more antibodies against them, so we would have more effective vaccines. And in this way, our lymphocytes would be prepared to block the virus with their antibodies before it enters our cells. There are many other ways to design vaccines, and all of them can work well. You can see them in our online plasticine vaccine platform. You will find the link in the video description. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and learn science with Daniel. Farewell, my brave little scientist.